Alright. Alright, basically, we're gonna see how long will it take to replace a flat on the zooz. I mean, we already did it already, but we did the video earlier, made the video earlier, but it's good right now. How long did it take us?
Like 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
15 minutes. The bike shop be charging how much? 36 to replace.
They be charging. If they don't like you, they be charging like 80, bro.
They charge you 80 to replace to replace the e-bike tire. I mean, inner tube.
That's cause they charging like the labor.
Yeah, labor.
If they don't like you, then they gonna charge you more because they doing hard work for.
Bro, you look like you on crack, bro. But yeah, basically, yeah. Right now we good though.
Put me in the spot and I'll just commit to it.
See how.
All right, this so basically we're gonna cut to the video right now. Alright, we're gonna see how long will it take to put on the zooz. But like it's change the zooz. Right? Was that 21 or no?
Yeah, it can fit.
Oh shit! All right.
I'm trying to see what I can get with the zooz on. Oh yeah, I'm not good.
Like a little can or something. I mean, not even a can. Yo, right here, Jason. Oh shit. Something like. Well, let me take this. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Super perfect. At least for what we're doing.
Here, put it on.
Wait, alright.
Oh yeah, here it goes.
Let me just. This kickstand's so useless. It's like, nah, I love this. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Got it?
Oh yeah, we good. Bro, that did not do nothing.
Just that.
You hear me? That did not do nothing.
Oh, it's because that big ass fucking chain ring.
No, I'm talking like the seat that they even pushed it up a little bit.
I know the grab.
You're just trying to flip it? Oh no, the John's gonna hit it. Hold on, let me see if I got like a little. Alright. Alright, so I seen this on YouTube channel. Go! Did I lock it? No, I didn't lock it. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Oh my god, this job just feels so heavy like now.
Oh, because you took off the battery.
Yep. Y'all must have a bigger battery on this shit, bro. Oh my god, look how heavy this job is. Yo, that's heavy as hell. I mean, you should feel the motor. The motor way heavier. You can kill someone with this. Huh?
Just no weight.
Oh my god. Nah, guys, I was expecting that shit to be way louder. Where's the outlet at?
I like how we're doing this shit like 2 in the morning.
Bro, it's so late.
Alright. Yo, we on a side quest right now.
Yeah, I wonder why. Because you wanted a fast charger.
Yeah, bro, I forgot my charger. I
don't mind it. How you think I feel like all this? Wait, no, hey, why do you do it like that? Like this. Oh shit.
I was gonna stand it up.
It'll manage. Look, see? Just take off the wheel. Look, it's barely even touching the wheel.
Oh yeah, I can just hold it here.
Yeah. Alright, so you want to put on time. Alright.
Yo, you recording? You want some gloves?
Yeah, let me get some gloves. I hate cleaning my hands.
Alright, let me get you gloves.
Nah, wait, never mind. I don't need it.
You can just wash it.
Yeah, I can just wash it. This one, right?
You get through so I can hold this down on this bike for you.
Yeah, it's 21. 21. Alright, make sure the bike's off. Like we didn't just take out the battery. But we'll just make sure it's off though, right?
Yeah,
It's all right.
Yeah.
Alright. So now we disconnect it. Asian household.
Bro,
Alright.
put on the shoe right, dumbass.
Oh.
Oh, fuck it. You gotta put them back on anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them back on anyway. God damn it. Why you zip tie it? Thank God I brung my pliers. Oh shit, we're having a beanbag. I wanted to punch that shit.
What?
Beanbag. Like this guy
It's
gonna.
in the backyard. I broke it.
Bruh. Oh yeah, I remember you said that. You did mention that.
Like the whole John snap.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you got scissors.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm trying to speed run this.
Let me see what he's trying to cut.
Oh, never mind. I just twist it. These zip ties he put here.
I got scissors right there, look.
Nah, it's too late. I already.
Oh, right there, look.
Bro. Bro, what the fuck is that?
I used to use that to roll.
Oh my
I
god.
stole it from my school. I mean, they still have scissors. Shit.
I mean, yeah, you're right. Oh, there you go.
They were still getting the job done. They was cutting my wallpaper and my backwards.
We probably should put it on the floor before we even try to like take it off.
Just go ahead.
Yeah, it's already too late. I know how to put on this shit. You think it's too much loud? You think it's loud?
No.
No. Your dad won't mind it.
I do this at night all the time.
I would beat your ass if I was your dad.
I'd be blasting music.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Bro, really? There's a fucking staple in this piece of shit.
Out of all things, though.
I mean, that wasn't the first time.
Bro, it's always staples.
I know, right? I don't know, bro. They're like flat on the ground. I don't know how they be like doing that shit.
Bro, I remember you getting it flat all the time.
I know, right?
Like fucking buy some dumb shit.
Bro, I think I got flat on my C100 too. Shit. Give you the world. Give you the world. I got like all this shit to do it for.
Bro, I'm playing copyrighted music, bro.
Alright. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna be that famous anyway, so I don't care a fuck.
No, you're not.
A few moments later.
Alright, I bought the floor. So I got these tools. This is the same song you be fucking your sneaky link to?
Yeah. I literally fucking did a song.
Oh my god, that shit sound like it hurt it.
I like how I just got a hentai sticker laying around here.
Bro.
You know how I put this on my inner tube?
Oh yeah, you just showed me a picture of that.
I put that shit on my inner tube. Alright, I fixed it. That shit was working for like a day.
Oh my god, you hear that? Bro, if I shoved it, Oh, there you go. That's easier.
I could always put a new sprocket on my Mafia.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
It's so easy.
Alright, I thought it'd be a little harder. They be charging like, what, 40? Yo, they doing a contest over there.
Over where?
At the bike shop. Seeing how much they can charge off a e-bike, replacing e-bike tires. I meant e-bike inner tube.
A few moments later.
Out of all colors. I want the Cloud John you put on the Big Ripper. You remember how you gave me that Big Ripper before I got jumped for it?
Big fire?
Yeah.
Wait, which one off?
The clouds. You know the clouds on the rim?
No.
Yo, switch over.
Oh!
Switch.
Those are big fire rims.
No, those are from Rado Supply.
Really?
Yeah, you can only get from Rado Supply.
I didn't know that.
That's where you got it. Yo, switch. Come on.
Alright.
Burn him off. 4 arms. You better go fast before that shit start losing air.
It's not. Damn!
Oh my god, right? Oh, that's pretty fast. Been on fire though. Yo, if I have some Maxi, it's gonna go to fire. I know. We need one. Alright, I'll let you slide it.
Why do you think about the
Yeah, get wherever you can get your hands on. If anything, if you've got to use the street for turn on, just put some money on top. Why do I fuck with these? They're not bad. They're not. Rather you carry me all the time. You got better. We can dance anywhere, bro. We bring this to New York, bro. Shit. Oh, we explore New York like crazy. If not, we buy a bigger one. I need to buy a bigger one. But I'll let you know. Go. Alright, keep going.
Now electric air pump would be so nice right now.
It shouldn't make so much noise. I know your dad can get mad as shit.
No, you're not.
Uh-huh. I would.
Yell at me.
Oh.
My dad don't yell at me.
Oh.
He just tell me not to do shit.
I mean, that's calm. That's nice.
Be like, yo, go to school, bro. Why you ain't go to school? Go to school, bro. That's it.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Well, let me just put these on. Before I put this.
A few moments later.
Where I put my phone at?
Oh yeah, that Android. My delicious. You just had it in your hands. Is it not in your pockets?
That shit like disappeared on some shit. It's right here.
Oh, I wonder. You did?
Yeah.
Yo, you're funny
I
as
had to wash
shit.
my bed sheets a couple times because
She dirty?
she was squirting.
Oh.
She was wet as fuck.
Nah, your jokes.
I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, you got that game.
I'd be nutting all over his stomach when I pull out.
Oh my god. Nah, no way. You're fucking.
We about to post this shit on YouTube too. Yo.
Nah, we can cover all this shit out. Well, a little bit out. Damn. Oh, we're finished. Look, this is how you plug it back on. And then
Wait, just twist. Oh.
yeah, just twist it.
A few moments later.
This battery already kind of heavy though.
Still,
But how heavy is it right now?
it's light as fuck.
Yeah, it definitely is light. Damn. What is it, like 20 pounds right here?
That's 20 pounds alone.
This is 20, and the motor is too. And the bike is like another 20, so it makes it like 35. I mean, that's what it said on the listing.
Nah, that's gotta be like 40 pounds.
Oh shit, I touched my hoodie. We got... Ah shit, I don't know what to say after that. So, we're finished with the Zeus. So,